코로나 백신이 나왔다는 기쁜 속보 뉴스를 전하기 위해 급하게 만들어서 혹시 실수가 있더라도 양해 부탁드립니다.
Told you we're going to begin with breaking news on the race to develop a vaccine. This morning, the drug giant Pfizer announced it has evidence that its planned coronavirus vaccine works. The U.S. has reported more than 100,000 cases a day for the last 5 days. 580 were close to reaching 10 million COVID cases since this pandemic began in this country. David, they're saying the headline says the drug is 90% effective. That is very encouraging. What can you tell us about this?
Well, so 90% reduction in symptoms of the virus in people who got the vaccine. And so this is a momentous occasion. This is the first of what will be several vaccines that will show efficacy. But we're here. A long road, but the vaccine appears to have worked.
David, there's some more testing to be done, though, correct? What's the timetable here?
The safety data, we need 2 months of people, majority of people in the trial to be exposed. The material put together, file authorization with the Food and Drug Administration, and then in December, we can have the vaccine. There are 50 million doses of this vaccine that will be available before the year's end. So
90% effective. But what makes this particular trial different? And are you excited about what you're hearing?
Well, I think you could see in my face, I am excited. This is an RNA vaccine, so these are the instructions for the spike protein of COVID-19 that are injected in the arm. There have been no serious adverse events or no serious side effects related to the vaccine. So certainly this is light at the end of the tunnel. Again, this is one. There will be the AstraZeneca vaccine and the Moderna vaccine over the next several weeks. So we're going to have 3 vaccine candidates that my gut is all of them will have benefit. And we will have a significant supply of these by the end of the year.
But we're all hoping that this is a light at the end of the tunnel.
When it came to the coronavirus, Pfizer says they have a vaccine that may be 90% effective. Break it down for us. What does that mean? Does that mean a vaccine could be happening soon?
We were all hoping to hear about a vaccine sometime this month or early next. And it's going to take some time to get the vaccine out to the American people, but this is clearly a positive step forward.
Okay, and no timeline idea on that, Dr. Jha?
So in my best guess on timeline, I think we're going to start seeing some people getting vaccinated later this year. So, basically December. I expect doctors, nurses, first responders probably in early January, February. Most people in the community, probably at March through June would be my best guess. But we just need to wait for more data from Pfizer about how many doses they have before we make guesses.
Dr. Jha, President-elect Biden made an announcement today. What are the top couple of things you think he should implement right away?
Yeah, so, despite that good news on Pfizer, we are entering probably the 2 hardest months of the pandemic. I expect a lot of people getting sick and dying. The 2 things that we think can make the biggest difference in the short run, if everybody wore a mask, so I believe in a national mask mandate, I think it's more than necessary. And then second is having widespread testing available. That can make a profound difference on bringing the virus under control. So that's where I would encourage the president's team to focus.
All right.
That's it for today, and make sure to keep washing your hands and wear masks. Bye.